Now, in a given data, we'll check in a given data. For example, this particular column, you can see that many of the entries are not clear. Here, some of them are in a short form, retail. This is the direct. This is the online. Okay, some of them are in a short form, and some of them are additional spaces are there here. You can observe. Okay, additional space is there. Okay, I would like to clean up this particular column. Okay, in this particular column, I would like to clean it out in a proper format. How can we do that one? Select that particular column, go to transform, here transform tab. Okay, in transform, first we have to check the which format it is. Here any column option is there, any column option is there. There we have to check which format it is. It should be in a text format. We have to check, is it in a text format? We'll select the text format. All are in a text format. Okay, so we have been converted all the entries into a text format. Then it comes to rename the your column header. If you like to rename the column header, you can say rename the column header. Okay, you don't want to rename the column header, you can leave as it is. Okay, you can rename the column header. And here replace value is that before that we'll take off this extra thing. Okay, for that one we have to come to the format. We have to come to the here text column related entries are there. We have to come to the format. We have to select a trim. We have to select a trim so that the extra space will be trimmed out. Okay, extra space will be trimmed out. If I close this trimmed one, you can see extra space was there. The moment I select a format, trim, extra space has been trimmed. For example, entire thing you would like to represent in a capital letters, then go to format, select uppercase. If you select lowercase, all are in a small letters. If you select a capitalize each one, first word will be in a capital, all other will be in a small. Okay, similarly you can add a prefix after the text. You can add something. Okay, add a value. Okay, that will be added here everywhere. If you like to add a suffix, you can add before anything. If you like to add, you can add a suffix. Okay, apart from that, if you like to replace the value, in the sense here we have a short form, so I would like to replace that with a direct, retail with the rtl with the retail, oln with the online. Okay, first we will have direct. How to replace? We have to select that particular column, replace value here, select replace value, find dir direct and replace with the direct, then say okay. Everywhere it will be replaced. Similarly rtl, replace value, rtl with the retail. Okay, everywhere it has been replaced. Similarly oln with the online, oln with the online. Okay, so everywhere it has been replaced. Three things we have been replaced. Okay, everywhere it will be now uniform. You can see now how the entire column is uniform. Okay, similarly we can go to any format. In the sense we can go to a like we can move this particular column. Okay, before or after, we can move this particular column by using move option. Okay, we can move to the left, or we can move to the selected column to the right, or move to the beginning or end of the table. We can move it to the beginning of the table or end of the table by using this particular option. Okay, reorder column. Okay, like this we can change the column structures. Okay, we can change the column structures, as well as we can clean out the column by using a Here column related tools we have been learned. We can rename, we can change the format. There again we can replace the value, and we can change the format. Within a text format we can change, as well as we can trim it out.